this is a bit of a both internal and external video. It's about the differences between Shadcn components. So let's say that you have something like the slider component, and you look at it in the Nova style, and we're looking at it from a design perspective, right? We have something that's close to Nova, but it's actually Vega. So let's just take a screenshot of this basic slider so we can compare. And we will do the same for Vega. And we will do the same for Maya, which is very different. And then we will have Lyra, which seems to be like a bit square-ish. And then we will have Mira, which kind of looks similar to what we have right now. And we have Luma, which looks more like, kind of like macOS Tahoe. And then we have Sera, which looks wildly different. Okay, so we have all these styles, right? And then I'll also copy here the names. And I will use our plugin called Text Cutter to split the text. And then I will use this Figma function to put this together. And then there should be another function to put them apart like this. Okay, so now we know what we have. Let's just put an instance here. And this is Vega, but it got a bit confused, or actually we got a bit confused. And we started changing, for example, the color here, when that color, like this kind of like lighter stroke, is actually, I'm doing it, I think I did it the wrong way. It's Nova, Vega. Yeah, Vega Nova. I put my screenshots the wrong way. It's like this. So anyway, the point is that we're mixing up styles. Like the style that we have is like the handle from Nova, but then the height of the track from Vega. And there are now several ways to go about this problem, right? One of the ways that I went about it is that I looked at the alert, and here I put both styles on the top level. So there's a big difference in the, let's go to the alert just to show my point. Like the alert has a different style in Sera. Actually a style that I like, with a little border on the left side. So that means that there's like an extra element, right? There's a layer for this border that we need to have that doesn't exist in this other version. And you could argue that the versions are similar. They are kind of alike. So what do you do, right? Should you like add the border here and then have like 0 here on the appearance? That's already the same element. But then with the slider, they also, and then you could use Figma modes, for example, Figma variable modes. With the slider, I think there's so many variations that it's maybe not realistic anymore to do the variable modes. So what do you do, right? So let's run Autodocs. And last night I coded this idea. So let's just generate the docs here. Actually, let's work in a copy because we're gonna do some destructive stuff. And then I have the reflex to work in a copy. And I will usually just call this like test and later delete like all my copies. So let's go to the alert component that we were working on. And then what I did is that in an experimental version of Autodocs, I made it possible to hide a style, like an entire style with a plugin. And it would also maybe be possible to do that like file wide, right? Or regenerate the documentation automatically. So right now, the only thing it does, it hides the style, but it can also, for example, delete the style. And if you do that, you get an alert that it cannot be undone. And then ideally, we would also delete this property. So then we just have the clean style that we wanted. Next problem is that all of these examples are also not in the right style. So we would, before removing the style as a property, we would also have to, regenerate the examples with that style. So it's kind of complicated in a way. And it's something that I'm thinking about, like, what do we want to support? I'll end with something that I think I'll end here. Like, this is enough to discuss. But the main question is, like, do you use modes to make a change? Do you use variants within the same component? Do you create like entirely different component sets and maintain all of them? Like, what's the way to do styles in Shadcn in a realistic manner?